Well, I've got this 5-main MGB engine apart. Had an oil pressure issue. Got the oil pump out of it before I figured I'd try and do anything else with it. And that looks heavily scored to me. I'm not an expert on this, but that really doesn't look right. This is just practically threaded. So it looks to me like a bunch of shavings, metal, something went through this pump, unless I'm missing something. Now the question now is, did it recently go through? And that's a sign that there's a problem in the engine. Or did something go wrong with this engine prior to its last rebuild, ruin the pump, or certainly damaged the pump, and it's just been running like that ever since. No one replaced the pump. Seems unlikely to me, but it's a dream, I guess. Next steps.